General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, let's knock out the chart work. Today, Tuesday the 14th. Manipulation day. I engaged. Confidence level was medium. Conditions are confirmed. We're seeing the price delivery signature. And expansion is playing out. Thinking Tuesday to be the low of the week, and we didn't hit terminus today. Nasdaq. Got that reaction here. Asia basically rejected that daily volume imbalance, and we expanded from here. CPI was positive, but we basically stayed inside that CPI news candle. ICT was right about it being choppy due to the economic calendar. After CPI, price just chopped some more. Yeah, ICT was saying yesterday he thinks Wednesday PM till Friday should be smooth because the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, with Tuesday being CPI and Kevin Warsh, and Wednesday is PPI with Kevin Warsh in the morning. That kind of like chops up the VIX, not to mention the war. It's the hour. Small range day, not too exciting. Lots of wicks, small range day, but we did sweep the lower Monday. Also look at the respect of the volume imbalance. Going to daily, I'm still thinking this would be the low of the month. I even like how we respected the rejection block. Since it's a very long wick, like we tapped it, let's respect. Nice buys from the VI, but the day still wasn't. I'm gonna have to put that on the thing. Wasn't much for expansion. Alright, SPX. Swept that low, built the order block, used that for CPI. It's giving Tuesday low of the week vibes. And also trapped order flow because we trapped between these two 30-minute order blocks. Very chopped day. There's the hour. It's not pretty. Previous week's high seemed like the next launch target. Yeah, we bounced off at EQ. Only thing stopping us is this new week over the gap. Everybody trying to trade to that. Here it is in the daily. You can see the respect of the order block. And we swept that low. This is what I planned yesterday. Sweep these lows, go higher, and just deliver trash. Still playing in this range. We very close to all time high. We may gap up the all time high with the right earnings report. The stock charts. Spy. It's very small. Smallest CPI day in history. I think I had small CPIs before, but I don't remember it as well. And that's the purpose of them. Start journaling them small days more. There you go. Daily. It's the summer doldrums. It's what. But in video, we have marching forward. We even with the open price of this, which is good, or the closing price. It's good retracement. We need to see closure through this level, which is probably like a weekly level or a monthly level. Go look at the chart. Nvidia is marching forward. It will pull the rest of the market unwillingly. The market don't want to go up, but Nvidia make it. It's the engagements and some chops, and then nice spot here, that out here, and around here. Just ain't getting no expansion in the PM, so it's dud for the PM session. Look for buys at the CPI. Did I follow the plan? Yes. If not, what caused it? Execution was good. Each setup was valid. Did I do well? Executions or what I do different next time? Don't press in PM. ICT is right. It's gonna be choppy until that calendar clear up. And I noticed too also before big earnings be a chop. Did the framework play out? No. CPI was chopped. Gonna have to remember CPI can be chopped like this. What did I learn about pattern and narrative on myself? We doing good. Not picking every top and bottom. What will I watch for tomorrow? PPI, WARSH, and ASML has earnings in the morning time. So that's all the chart work for the day. Put this in Telegram. Y'all have a good day. Peace.